You keep waiting to feel ready to be visible before you go get your first client. And here's the problem with that. You don't need to feel ready. You just need one person in one conversation to know exactly what you do and exactly who you help, and that's it. That's the whole bar. If you've been telling yourself you need a bigger following or more polished offer, a little more confidence before you can realistically expect a client, I want to show you why that is not actually true in this video and what to do instead starting this week. Hello and welcome back. My name is Sharon Samuel Adigba, and I am the one you find when you're ready for your business to feel as good to lead as it looks on paper. Now, here is what visibility fear actually cost you in this specific season, in this I need to find my first client season. It's not that you're not talented enough or that your offer is not good enough. It's that fear that convinces you, right, that the only acceptable way to get a client is to be seen by thousands of strangers first and their trust first slowly through months of content, and then hope that one of them raises their ends. That's one part, a very slow one, but it's not the only part. And for a lot of entrepreneurs, especially the ones who left something stable to build this, it's the slowest and the most demoralizing ones to start. You made a decision that you cannot quietly walk back from. You gave something real up to get here. And every month that passes without a client isn't just a delay. It's a quiet erosion of that trust you had in that decision. So waiting for a following before you go get a client is not caution. It's the single most expensive form of delay available to you right now. So the shift that makes this survivable is simple to see, but it's hard to actually believe at first. You don't need to be visible to everyone. You just need to be visible to the handful of people who are already standing near your exact audience, even if they're not your audience yet. That reframe takes visibility from a mountain down to a single specific doable action. Once been seen stops meaning perform for the internet and starts meaning after one conversation, one honest conversation with someone whose audience already trusts them, then the fear changes shape entirely. You're not asking strangers to trust you, right? You're asking one person who already has context on what you do to trust you, right? And whether there is a fit with them. This is the same ship behind the fire under the decision that hasn't gone out yet. You meet the wall and you look for the door. And the wall here is I have no audience. And the door I am offering you and I'm inviting you into to walk through is I don't need my own audience yet. I just need to be findable to someone who already has one. Now, here's the part that almost nobody tells new entrepreneurs. Building a following and getting your first sale are two completely different jobs. Growing a audience is a long game. It asks you to learn a platform, stay consistent for months, and navigate an algorithm that owes you nothing yet. But getting your first sale asks for something much simpler. You need to get your offer in front of people who already want what you have right now. Your first client do not need to come from your own audience, right? They can, and definitely they should, right? They should come from someone else's. There are coaches, consultants, and people already surveying the exact same person that you want to reach. They have spent months or years building trust with that community, and most of them are actually actively looking for something complementary that they can offer their own clients. You don't compete with those people, you collaborate with them. And when you do it well, your offer lands in front of a warm, already trusting audience instead of a cold one that you have to build from nothing. So here's the one move, and this is the one in its simplest form. First of all, get clear on the specific tangible result that your offer creates, not the features, but the outcome. Then make a short list of the people already serving the people that your outcome is for. Not the competitors, but the people adjacent to you, whose clients are on the same journey that your support as and they need you at a different point, right? And then offer a pitch, just one genuine question, because that's worth more than a full sales message nobody asked for, right? And when somebody says yes, you're not starting from zero, you are standing inside a community that already trusts a person who just introduced you. And I go deeper into exactly how to build that list, what to say, and how to structure the collaboration so both sides win without you having to get like into all of it yet, right? Because that's really its own full training. We're not going to get into that today in this video, but this is what happens. This is what I want you to take away from this. Your first client wasn't going to come from you building audience. It's about you finding the right person on purpose. Now, if everything I just described tells exactly where your position is right now, where your season is right now, still wanting to feel ready, still open the algorithm and your client specifically, where I built something for you. And this is a training that you first sell in 30 days training. That's a training. And I'm going to be walking you through the exact collab strategy and were you able to see and take action step by step. In the next 30 days, you'll be able to land your very first client, leveraging the collaboration first strategy. And if you're like, Sharon, I've not even figured out who my best client is yet, or I've not refined that yet, it still feels vague, I'm still talking to women over 40, then you want to get into the Convencio audit. Sorry, the Client Magnet U audit. This is going to be showing you exactly and helping you refining who you're speaking to so that you are only targeting the person so that when you do meet that collab partner that you will be getting through the training that we're showing you, you're already clear about who you want to speak to. And in fact, knowing who that person is, knowing who your best client is, allows you to find the right fit collab partner, not just any random person. And I've left the link to both the training, if you're already clear about who you're speaking to, that training is for you in the description. And if you're like, I don't even know who I'm speaking to, you like, where do I start? That link is also in the description, right? And the audit leads even to a step further where you get to build out exactly who you're speaking to, leveraging the Client Magnet U framework. And that invitation will be handed to you at the end of the audit. So definitely take advantage of these two spaces. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I look forward to chatting more with you in the next video. Take advantage, grab the link that fits in the decision to the training, or if you're not clear about who you're speaking to, grab that link to the audit right now. I will see you soon, and thank you so much for joining me today. Bye for now.